So today I am going to explain about MS Word, how to enter data in the MS Word, how to do editing and many more things in this chapter. So let's start with MS Word. First of all, I'll go to this start button, which is left side bottom, and from here you will click on this all programs, and then you have to search MS Office, Microsoft Office, and here I will click Microsoft Word. Once it is open, we have to go to top left corner of your window, MS Word window here, and this is called Office button, and I'll click on this Office button and clicking on the new and then blank document, and then this create will create new document where we can start typing. So this is the way. I'm going to make it 100%, and then I am going to zoom it. You can zoom it from here by clicking like this, dragging. So this much I want, and this is called horizontal scroll bar. So if you want to do horizontally, then you can do that. So here I'll start. See, this blinking line is showing that this is the cursor. This is the point where we can start typing. So I'm start typing from here. Good morning. Today I am going to explain about MS Word and their uses while doing editing. So this is what we are going to learn in this part. Thank you. Okay, so as I told to you, this blinking cursor is showing that from this position we have to type, we have to insert our text. So first point is how to enter text in the Word. So this is the simple way. You just point your cursor from there you want to type, and then you can start typing. So this is the way we can do that, entering text in the Word like this. Then editing the document. So editing the document means we can change the things which we required in the document. Suppose I have not inserted dear students over here. I want to enter dear students over here. So this is called editing. So I'll press, this is blinking cursor. I am going to press enter key from the keyboard, and then this is the position where I am going to insert the text, extra text, that is called editing. So here, dear students. So this is the line which I have inserted, or this is called part of editing. Now editing has more parts, like how to, if you are making bold and if you are making it italic, making more space, if you are changing the look of your document, it is also called editing. So suppose I am selecting this text and I want to make it bold. So how can I do that? By selection. So selection is also very important part. Selection, before editing you should know how to select. So selection means selecting a document. So here I am pressing shift, I am pointing my cursor first, then pressing shift key from the keyboard, then right arrow key from the keyboard. So now it is selected. Once it is selected, then we are supposed to make bold. So I'll go to this home tab over here. I'll click on this home tab and then I'll come to the ribbon. So ribbon has bold command. So I'll click on this B and this line will become bold. So this is also called editing. I want to change this into italic. So I'll select this by pointing my cursor to the left of the line, or you can point your cursor to the right of the line, and then from mouse you can click at the left side by pressing the shift key, then it is selected. Again I am telling you, point your cursor from there you want to select. So I want to select from explain, so I'll point my cursor here just before E and then I'll press shift key and then I'll point my cursor where I want to stop my selection. So I want selection should be completed after this there. So I'll click at this position and see it is selected. Once it is selected, I want to change something into it. Look of this. So look of this can be changed by clicking on bold or clicking on italic. You see, bold and italic both it is coming. So selection is very important part whenever you want to change something into your document. So this is done. Now if you want to change the look, no doubt this bold is also look, but another point is look of your text, that is font face. So font face means different look of your text. So right now this look is Calibri here. This is in home tab. So this text look is Calibri. Font face is Calibri body. And you want to change into something else, then you have to select all these or any one single line that you want to change as a font face, and I'll go to this home tab, then this box, and here in the just right there is arrow, small arrow. I'll click on this small arrow and then I'll come to Algeria. See, so earlier it was Calibri body, but now it is Algerian. So this way we can change the font face. So font face means different look of your text. So now see, this thank you is coming in different font face, and these three lines are coming in different fonts. So it depends on your choices. Now after changing the font face, I want to change font size. Font size means you want to change the size of your text, content or document. So how you can do that? Again, selection is very important point. So you need to point your cursor from that position you want to select. So I want to select U only. So I am just pointing my cursor before U, and then I am pressing shift key from the keyboard, and then I am coming right side of U and I am just clicking over here, and then U is selected. I want to change the size of U to something else. Again I will go to the home tab here, and then this is font face and this one is the size. So again right side of this number is a small arrow. I'll click on this, then I'll find not many numbers, and which number I want to implement, that I'll select. So that through this we can change the size of your document. So this is the way we can enter text. We can do editing. Editing means we can change the things which we required to change in our document. In the next we'll discuss more about it. Till then, bye. Thank you.